When solving equations, adding or subtracting like terms is something that cannot be avoided. It comes up. In this video, we want to use a strategy to build the concept of adding and subtracting like terms. If the terms are already like terms, how do we add them? How do we subtract them? So, we are going to use manipulatives, and this red chip represents a negative x variable. This white chip represents a positive x variable. So our first problem says 2x plus 3x. Okay, this is what x represents. X is a physical quantity, this white chip. So I bring in two of them because it says bring in two of the x's. So I bring it there. And then it said plus, bring another 3 of the white chips. I have brought them in. So now this is asking me how many of the x's do I now have? I have 5 of them. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. Okay, pay attention. So remember the answer is 5x and not just 5. If you put just 5 here, that means you are not, that 5 does not represent the white chips because it says the white chip is x. So if I see 5 white chips, then I must say 5x. Okay. All right. Moving on. Second problem says negative 2x. So it is asking for the red chips, 2 of them. I get my red chips here, 2 red chips. Now it is asking for 3 white chips because it says plus 3 of the white chips. The white chips is a positive one, so plus 3 of the white chips. Okay, so we have a combination of 2 red chips and 3 white chips. Now this is the rule. When a white chip and a red chip are in the same group, they will pair up and get out of the group. Now we have another red chip and another white chip. They will pair out and get out of the group. So this is what we have left. We have 1 white chip left. So we go back to our reference. What does a white chip represent? X. So our answer is 1 white chip, which represents 1x. So we said x is 1 white chip. So we can also say our answer is just x because 1 white chip represents x. So 1x is the same as x. Okay. Next, negative 2x. So we're calling for 2 red chips plus negative 3x. So it said plus, bring in 3 more red chips. That's what it's asking for. 3 more red chips. So that I have 2 red chips here. I need 3 more red chips. Okay, so how many red chips do I have now? 5. Do I have any white chips that will take out red chips? No. So what does a red chip represent? Negative x. How many of the negative x's do I have? 5 of them. So 5, negative 5x. Now, this is read as negative 4x minus x. Switch these two terms around, it will say negative x minus 4x. If I move this to this position and move this to this position, it will say negative x minus 4x. This helps you to see that this variable here is a negative x. Bottom line, this is asking for 4 red chips and another red chip. So how many chips do I have? 5, but what color? Red. But red chip represents a negative x, so I now have negative 5 of them.